There are literally hundreds of note-taking apps on the App Store, and most of them are terrible. So we tested the ones that actually matter in 2026 across handwriting, syncing, organization, and speed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which app fits your workflow, without wasting money or switching apps 3 times like I did. Let's go. Before we dig into specific apps, here's what actually matters. First, speed. An app that lags is an app you won't use. Second, syncing. Your notes need to exist everywhere or nowhere. Third, handwriting support if you use the Apple Pencil. And fourth, organization. A powerful app is useless if finding your notes takes longer than rewriting them. Keep those 4 things in mind. Let's start with the app already on your iPad. Apple Notes is free, fast, and absolutely fine for most people. Syncs instantly across all devices, works offline, and the handwriting recognition is genuinely good now. The catch? It's basic. No cross-linking, no advanced organization, and if you ever leave the Apple ecosystem, you're stuck. But if you take simple notes and want zero setup, this is unbeatable. It just works. OneNote is the opposite problem. It does everything, but keeps it clean. Notebooks, sections, pages. It scales from a grocery list to a research archive. Works on iPad, Mac, Windows, Android. Free version is genuinely full-featured. The paid tier just removes ads. The catch? The interface is dense. It's not intimidating, but it takes an evening to stop feeling like you're fighting it. If you use Windows or take complicated notes, OneNote wins. If you're serious about handwriting with the pencil, these 2 are your only real options. GoodNotes is paper-like and distraction-free. Notability adds PDFs, voice recording, and some AI, but costs $15 a year to sync across devices. GoodNotes is one-time $30. The honest truth, both are excellent. Both have loyal fans, and the difference comes down to whether you want minimalism or features. Try both free trials side by side. Notion isn't just a note app. It's a knowledge database that went to med school. You can build databases, link notes together, embed anything, and organize at scales that would break traditional apps. The learning curve is real, though. Expect a weekend if you're new to database thinking. Free for personal use is genuinely unlimited, but if you're not using it for something bigger than notes, you're using a freight truck to buy groceries. Obsidian stores everything locally on your device by default. No cloud, no company reading your notes, no ads. That privacy comes with friction. Sync costs extra, and moving notes between apps takes work. The community is strong, and plugins let you customize everything. If you're a writer or researcher who cares deeply about owning your data, Obsidian is worth the learning curve. Otherwise, it's probably overkill, but absolutely worth understanding as an option. Here's the honest breakdown. Use Apple Notes if you want zero setup and you're all in on Apple. Use OneNote if you bounce between Windows and iPad, or take complex notes. Pick Notability if handwriting and PDFs matter and you want features. Choose GoodNotes if you're a minimalist with a pencil. Notion if you're building something bigger than notes. Obsidian if privacy is non-negotiable and you'll invest time learning it. There's no wrong choice, only a choice that isn't yours. The best note app is the one you'll actually use every day. Download a couple free trials, spend a day with each one, and go with your gut. And remember, switching is free. If you've got questions about any of these apps, or there's another one you think we missed, drop a comment below. We take them seriously, and we'll make a follow-up video if enough people ask. What questions do you have? Comment below, and we will make a video about it.